Hello backers, and basically welcome back to my channel. For today's channel, for today's video, we are going to be making lasagna. And before I start, I'd like to thank everyone for 10,000 hours of watch time and over 7,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for that. Okay. Right, so the ingredients you need is a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a tablespoon of tomato puree, some garlic finely diced, and 1 onion finely diced, celery finely diced, and a carrot finely diced, and 250 grams of pork mince and beef mince, and also some lasagna layers, and 50 grams of Parmesan, and 200 millimeters of beef stock as well, and a tin of chopped tomatoes. Okay, next thing is stir in your vegetables in olive oil in a large pan until all the vegetables are soaked, and around about 5 minutes or so will do it. Okay. Okay, so I've added the mince. Okay, so I'm going to fry it until it's a goldenish colour. Okay, as you can see, I've now added tomato puree and stock, and now I'm going to add some of the Worcestershire sauce. And I'm going to stir. Well, I'm going to let it simmer for 15 minutes. Okay, so it is worth noting that you can make your own white sauce, but I tried it once, and well, it was quite stressful. Yeah, maybe I'll do it some other time when I become more experienced with it. But it was quite stressful, believe me. Right, now I've got some of the meat mixture in a baking dish. I'm going to put some of lasagna layers on there. And now I've put some white sauce on top of the lasagna. Okay. And I've put the remainder of meat sauce on there. Okay. Now cover it with more of this. Now I've topped that off with more white sauce. Now for the Parmesan. Sprinkle it evenly across the base of the lasagna. Okay. And actually, I think this wasn't planned, but I might sprinkle it with some Worcestershire sauce as well, because toasted cheese and Worcestershire sauce go great. Okay. Right, I've put it in the oven for about 20 minutes or so. 200 degrees on the oven, which is not fan assisted, and 180 degrees on a fan assisted oven. Right, and 20 minutes later, here it is, my lasagna. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for your patience about the gaps in uploading time. Thank you so much for being so patient. Also, if there's bad sound in this video, I do apologise about that. Okay, so as always, please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and also do leave a thumbs up on this video and a like on this video, and maybe what you think I should cook next. And also, if you want to learn to cook, especially if you have autism and that, or any other learning difficulty, remember, I have your back.